How to download Trust Wallet app on PC. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can download Trust Wallet app on PC, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to download Trust Wallet app, first of all, you need to download this Android emulator called BlueStack. There are lots of Android emulators, but BlueStack is obviously the best working one. I'll make sure to drop a direct link below to run the BlueStack's application, and once you download BlueStack, since this is an Android emulator, it is just like Android, so you need to have access to your Google account and so on. So here you can see the Google Play Store icon. Just click on the option that says open Google Play, and then you might want to sign into your Google Play Store account, as I said earlier. Once you sign into your Google Play Store account, what you need to do is after you open this up, you will see this kind of interface. Now in the search box, you just want to type in the application called Trust Wallet. So just go ahead and then type in Trust Wallet. As you type in Trust Wallet over here, you'll see the very first application on the list, that is Trust Crypto and Bitcoin Wallet. And to download this, all you need to do is just click on the download button. After you download the Trust Wallet application, you will be able to successfully go ahead and then open it up and then use it based on your own needs as well. And that's all it takes to download the Trust Wallet app on PC. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.